Ever wonder why you see lightning before you hear the thunder? It's a common storm mystery, that bright flash, then a moment of silence, and finally, the big rumble. What's happening? It's all about speed. Light travels incredibly fast, like a super sprinter. Sound, however, is much slower. Light zips at 300,000 kilometers per second, while sound only manages 0.34 kilometers per second. A massive difference. Next time, count seconds between flash and bang to estimate storm distance. Stay curious.